Tawana so say Tatiwa, Tafawana Yama Feliwa, Ila Solo Atamaita. Samali Maliane, Ile Lama Kasi, Sasala Manonga La Tonga Lama, Manayale Fena Soloa, Ila Foya La Toata Ile Sani, O Mayata Tombu, Ia Samoa Masiona La Fanua, Mua O, Ile Mupe, Ole Mupe, Wato.
O le nei tūla, o te wala au whālolo atuai, lau sunga te tai o sauninga, lau sunga Dr. La Tūla Tai, mo le tai no le tātou sauninga alotu. As usual, I now call upon Reverend La Tūla Tai to lead us with our opening services. Lau sunga le whawhengai.
Manatu au le nei vai aso, whai malanga, travelling. O le whale nei, e whaale leia, ma wha upenga i nai, la o tau au nanga. Ua tele lui o le tātou malanga, ua matautia fasioti ngā tangata, ua matautia le alu o fuala au whaasaina, ua onga sa wanga i tonu o ainga, and so here we are, at a critical moment, taimi tāua o le tātou malanga. O le whiau, o le nei aso ma le nei wha moe, tātou ngānu lue whaatas, tātou malanga whaatas, tātou manatua le whaatonunga ma le folanga. Let us remember the commandment and the promise. Le folanga o se malo manuia, se malo e di ia ai le atua. Ia pa ia le nei fale, ia pa ia lona ano fale. Fetalai mai le li ia apera amo. Ia tu ua e oe o lo nuu, ma tangata o lo nuu, ma le ainga o lo tamā. Ai alu atu se nuu o te whaasino atu ai ia te oe. O te whaia oe manu tele. O te whaamanuia fo'i ia te oe. O te matua whaamamaluina lo ingoa. E manuia fo'i oe. Ono Yesu.
Thank you very much, Reverend, for leading us today with our service. May the good Lord continue to bless you with the strength of body, mind, and spirit as you continue preaching His word. O le nei tūla o te walaau atuai maranga whaoloalo I le Ambassador Malo Sena, His Excellency Mr. Fiame Naomi. I now call upon you for your opening remarks, Your Excellency.
Honorable Prime Minister Fiame Naomi Mataafa, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister Tuala Ponifacio, Honorable Minister Faula Harry Schuster, Cabinet Ministers, Honorable Speaker Papali Leo Masipal, Honorable Leader of Opposition Tuilaipa Sailele Malialegoi, Members of Parliament, colleagues of diplomatic corps, ladies and gentlemen, fellow police officers, friends, Talofalava, 大家下午好. I'm fully delighted to join you today at the official handover ceremony of Samoa Police Academy, a gift of the Chinese government and people to the Samoan government and people. On behalf of the Chinese government, I would like to begin by applauding the perseverance and efforts of all involved, despite the negative impacts from various factors since the implementation agreement was signed in 2018. I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister Fiame and the Samoan government for your close cooperation on the project. I'm deeply grateful to the Ministry of Police, Prisons and Correction Services for your valued engagement and full support. And I commend the contractor Shanxi Construction, as well as managers, workers, subcontractors, and project supervisors for your dedication to and tremendous efforts in the project. Ladies and gentlemen, this project builds new landmark for the long-standing friendship between China and Samoa. Our people-to-people relations dates back to about 150 years ago. Since our diplomatic ties in 1975, we have jointly implemented more than 20 infrastructure projects in Samoa. Thousands of Samoa officials and professionals have attended training sessions in China. Chinese agriculture experts and local farmers have been working hand in hand tirelessly in the field toward the sustainable and resilient agriculture defined in the path for the development of Samoa, PDS. Doctors from both countries have fostered a strong partnership and have jointly treated more than 10,000 patients here in Samoa. On the occasion of the 50th anniversary of our diplomatic ties in 2025, we are working with the Samoan government and the friends to elevate our relations to a new high. This project also marks a significant milestone for China-Samoa bilateral law enforcement cooperation. It comprises a teaching building, a dining hall, equipment rooms, an operational training venue, a roofed sports field, an accommodation building, and watching stands, as well as auxiliary facilities such as running track and the drive training court, which you are going to see later. The Academy will be a valuable asset for Samoa police forces to bolster its capacity and better serve the Samoan people. I still remember that those young faces shining with passion at the graduation ceremony for new recruits in June. I hope to see more young cadets achieving success with opportunities provided by this academy. I'm also looking forward to the official handover and installation of the fingerprint laboratory soon. The lab equipment, along with this academy, will surely make a big difference in building a stronger police force of the Samoan people. Meanwhile, I encourage the Academy to take full advantage of its close cooperation with its Chinese counterpart. In particular, the China Pacific Islands countries Police Training Center based in China's Fujian province. I'm very glad that Mr. You Ye, head of a training center, is also attending the ceremony today with us. Ladies and gentlemen, transformation not seen in a century is accelerating across the world. China, Samoa, and all other countries are confronted with multiple risks and challenges like never before. Against this background, Chinese President Xi Jinping has put forward the Global Development Initiative, GDI, the Global Security Initiative, GSI, and the Global Civilization Initiative, GCI. As a global community, mankind cannot be separated, and each country must prioritize its essential needs for development security, and diversity among communities, regardless of national or international changes. With both developing countries and members of the Global South, China and Samoa have good reasons to work harder and closer with each other, to synergize our national priorities toward a closer community of a shared future. And the Samoan saying goes this: Ole tele, o sulu, e maua, Tafaigata. Through collaboration, the most difficult challenges can be overcome. In closing, I extend my best wishes to the people of Samoa and conclude with full confidence that this Academy will be an enduring symbol of Samoa and China friendship and play a significant role for the regional security and development. Whawhitai Tērelava. Thank you very much. 谢谢.
Nei tūla, o te walaua tuai maranganga whaaloalo I lau whionga le tamaitai pāremia, lau whionga le Tafaigata, lau whionga Fiame Naomi Mataafa, o lau Samoanga autu. And now call upon the Honourable Prime Minister for your keynote address.
Lau sunga le taitai o Saulinga, lau sunga le whawhengainga Dr. Latu Latai, whionga I Minister Kabineta, lau whionga le whangwhitalai sui mamalu o le Parliamene. Your Excellency, the Ambassador of China, Mr. Fei Mingting, members of the Diplomatic Corps, ladies and gentlemen. Moli le nganga whaftai, lau sunga I whawhengainga, tusa ma le sauninga whapaie I naere nei ngā tele. Mai ia te au fo ile nganga whanga tia whawheiroa ia tuai I le mamalu wawhia mai. Mō le nei sauninga o le tuina aloa ia o le aonga whaleo leo a Samoa. O le nei aso ua whailonga ina I se tasi o matatia. O le ngā duenga whaatasi manamalo saina e peo na mōli mawina. I le nei ati na e sa whaatino rona whaatupeina. Tawala mai le soani al malo saina. Ia whapea manai se leni al tatou malo. O le poloketi o le fausia o se aonga whaleo leo a Samoa na whamaonia al kabineta I le iwa tausanga taluai. Le aso sifulu o Iuni luafe sifulu lima. Mai sa whaatino ai se suenga al malo saina. Ma whaamaonia ai le fausia ina o le nei ngā ruenga le aso tolu o Novemba luafe sifulu fitu. E ala I le tau au ina o nisi o tusi aloa ia. Ini tusi a inga. O le sailinga o le malienga, sa whaatino ina la sorofulu ono se te mai luafe sifulu badu. O le nei ngā ruenga, sa fuafua e amata fausia. I le aso tō sifulu aprila luafe lua sifulu, ai petai. Ana o le whaamai o le COVID sifulu iwa, sa tau fiai lea ngā ruenga. O le sauninga o le tala aloa ia ai o le nei ngā ruenga, sa whaatino ina le aso lua sifulu lima o Oktopa. I le luafe lua sifulu lua. Ma whaamai ai nai I le aso tō sifulu o Iuni o le tausanga nei. E ui I tūlanga e peo na whaatua ia I le whangasolonga o le nei ati nai. E ave ai le whamalo ia I lato uma sa ngā pātia le nei ngā luanga tele. Ua mafo ai o na tātou taunu mai le nei aso e peo na ia I le saulinga. E whailonga I nai le tuina aloa I atu o le nei no fuanga I le mtanga alua ngō leo leo. Whalpui pui ma le toi fuata ingi. I le nei lava taimi e vea ia au e whai masui. O le malo Samoa maona tangata nuu. E whaafitai ai le malo saina. Mō le whaataunuina o le nei whaamoe moe Samoa miti I ai. O le whausia lea o se no fuanga I tutonu o Samoa. Mō le au ina o to mai maanga waa whaapitoa. A wā le whaamalo sia o tu la fono. Mai tūsalo na tau a whai ma le tolu sifuru tolu miliona. E mamboli il whaftai le di pule ia Mr. Wang Hai, mai le company Alishanti Construction Engineering Group. Mo le ngā ruenga mai a maua mawalunga ma le lei whaatinoina. E mamboli fo i le whaamalo ma le whaftai i le company ale Shanghai Architecture Engineering Limited. Ia mo la lātou fo i sao i le tusina o ata ma le fuafuaina o le ngā ruenga. E fia whaamawina le nganga whaftai i sao am ta ngā ruenga le malo ma ofisa uma. Sa ngā lue whaatasi ma le mta ngā ruenga o leo leo whalpuipui ma le toi fuatainga. Ina ia mwhai ai o na whaamai aina le ngā ruenga. O le whaamoemoe ina ia whaawau pēa o na whaatupula ia. Whaamanuianga mō mālo e lua e ala i whainga pāanga whaamau mālo. O le awea foile nei a onga manofuanga i tuina atu ai le awa noa mō tūpulanga uma o Samoa le au whale atu i ai. E sa ili ai o la tō lumana i ala i tō mai tau i le whaamalu sina o tū la whono. O le amatua o ngā tele foile nei a onga mo i la tō o lo whaatinoina au nanga tau leo leo ma whalpuipui. O loo mana mia le whaalelea, ma le si itia o tō mai ma awa onga, i le tū tau tū la whono ma le tau sia o le nofofile mu. O le aso, o le atatou wasi ai ma moni mawina tūlanga o mai a whausiaina o le nei no fuanga. E au fi ai po tu ofisa, po tu aonga no fuanga mo tau mawhitanga. Ma potu mo le te wina o mea whai ngā luenga. O le whale whaapitoa mo tālonga, potu mo apitanga, potu mo leo leonga, no fuanga mo tāwale, no fuanga mo aonga tau ave tāwale. Ma le tele o nisi o vaenga o le atatou vaia, i se taimi e leo toi mamau. Ia e talitonu o le a moli mawina le si itia ma warunga o le tomaima le ma losi o le imatamai tai leo leo. I le whaatinoina o la tau tiute wha leo leo. E ala i le wha o ngā tatau. O le nei no fuanga ma mea whai ngā luenga. Ua amata whaatotonga ina. Ia whaamanuia mai iei le tua. Talo Falava and good afternoon. And welcome to the handover ceremony of the Samoa Police Academy. It is indeed my pleasure and honor to welcome you all to this official handover ceremony of the Samoa Police Academy. Today marks another milestone in our development cooperation with the government of the People's Republic of China. And I'm very pleased to be here this afternoon to witness and celebrate the handover of the Samoa Police Academy, funded by the government of the People's Republic of China. The Samoa Police Academy project was approved by Cabinet 9 years ago on the 10th of June 2015. A feasibility study was then carried out by the government of the People's Republic of China with confirmation of the project approval on the 3rd of November 2017 through the exchange of letters. The implementation agreement was signed on the 26th of September 2018. The project was scheduled to commence by the 30th of April in 2020. However, the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic saw the project put on hold. The groundbreaking ceremony on the 25th of October 2022 marked the commencement of this project, which was completed on the 30th of June this year. Despite the delays, we applaud the perseverance and patience of everyone involved as we are gathered here today to celebrate the handover of this project to the Ministry of Police, Prisons and Corrections. On behalf of the government and the people of Samoa, I thank the government of the People's Republic of China for making this dream a reality. The first law enforcement training center built in Samoa. We congratulate Mr. Wang Hai and the Shanti Construction Engineering Group for all the preparation works so far, done extremely well. In addition, we also thank Shanghai Architecture Engineering Company Limited for the design work for the project. We also acknowledge the assistance of the government ministries and all agencies who have cooperated willingly with the Ministry of Police, Prisons and Corrections to enable the completion of this project. This academy will be a place of opportunities for all the youth of Samoa who will enter its gates to seek a future in law enforcement and application of the rule of law. The Police Academy project is critical for upskilling and training of the police force in all aspects of law and order and peace building. I am told that following these formalities, there will be a tour of the premises consisting of an administrative building, classrooms, dining hall, and equipment room, roof, sports field, the accommodation building, guard room, garage and shed, defensive driving training grounds, and more. The CHOGM budget is providing for all the furnishings. I look forward to seeing a more skilled, professional and fit lot of officers on the field and putting these facilities and equipment to good use. In conclusion, on behalf of the government and the people of Samoa, I am honored to officially receive with sincere gratitude the Samoa Police Academy from the government of the People's Republic of China. Soifua mai manuia. E manuia I latu umol au fale I nei no fuanga. Ia whai ma se la mepa I susulu. Tai te inai ia le nofo kile mua le atunu. I'm wishing everyone well who will enter these premises.
Thank you, Raj. Sure, do well.